Welcome back. Look, I know how it feels when you're just starting out. No fancy degree, no network, no funding. I've been there. But here's what I've learned. You don't need a perfect start. You just need a real one. So today, I'm sharing 10 untapped side hustles that can make you $100 a day, even if you're starting from scratch. These aren't get-rich schemes. They're smart, doable, and built for real people who are ready to take action. Let's dive in. 1. TikTok theme page monetization. You don't need to show your face to go viral. TikTok theme pages, like motivational quotes, business lessons, or aesthetic videos, are exploding. People grow a page, gain followers, then monetize through affiliate links or shoutouts. Action plan. Choose a niche: motivation, finance, fashion, tech hacks. Post 3 to 5 videos per day using CapCut templates or viral clips. Once you hit 10K plus followers, add affiliate links in bio and sell promo slots. Bonus: repurpose content on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. 2. Rent out your stuff with Fat Llama. Got a camera, drone, speaker, or power tool lying around? People are renting these every day on platforms like Fat Llama or Lent Items. Action plan. Sign up on fatllama.com. List your gear, anything valuable and functional. Use good photos, clear descriptions, and fair pricing. $25 to $50 per rental. 2 to 4 rentals equals $100 easily. No work, just assets paying you back. 3. AI Instagram Carousel Creation Service. Instagram carousels are the new content gold, especially for coaches and personal brands. But most people can't design or write well. That's where you come in, using AI plus Canva to create carousels fast. Action plan. Use ChatGPT to write carousel content. Design slick slides in Canva using templates. Offer a package: 5 carousels for $100 on Upwork or Fiverr. Reach out to solopreneurs on Instagram offering samples. 4. Local Craigslist flipping. People list things for cheap or free when they're moving. You can flip these on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp for a solid profit. Action plan. Check Craigslist free and for sale sections daily. Pick items like furniture, electronics, baby gear. Clean, fix slightly if needed, then relist with better photos. Flip 2 to 3 items per week equals consistent $100 per day. 5. Sell AI-generated Midjourney prompts on Etsy. People want beautiful AI art but don't know how to write good prompts. So you sell prompt bundles for things like logos, t-shirt designs, or tarot card art. Action plan. Use Midjourney to test unique prompts. Package 10 to 30 prompts by niche: fantasy, pets, food, etc. Sell as a digital download on Etsy or Gumroad. Promote on Pinterest or Reddit art communities. 6. Online language tutoring, even without fluency. If you speak English fluently, there's demand from students around the world who just want conversation practice, not grammar lessons. Action plan. Sign up on Cambly or Preply. Set your schedule and availability. Focus on conversational, real-world English. Even at $10 to $15 per hour, just 7 to 10 sessions per week equals $100 per day. You don't need to be a teacher. You just need to be helpful. 7. User testing and website feedback. Big companies and startups pay to hear what real users think about their websites and apps. You test, click around, speak your thoughts, and get paid. Action plan. Sign up on usertesting.com, try my UI or Playtest Cloud. Complete sample tests to qualify. Get paid $10 to $25 per 15 to 30-minute test. Stack 4 to 6 tests per day equals easy $100 days. All you need is a calm voice, honest feedback, and a few spare hours. 8. Car advertising wraps. Companies will pay to turn your car into a mobile billboard. If you drive regularly, this is passive income. Action plan. Sign up on Rapify or Carvertise. Get matched with a brand based on your driving routes. Wrap your car, professionally done, and just drive as usual. Earn $100 to $400 per month. Combined with DoorDash equals stack income. Zero effort. Full mileage income. 9. Instagram caption and hashtag writing service. Small business owners hate writing captions, but you can do this with AI and a little marketing sense. Action plan. Offer a package. 30 captions plus hashtags for $100. Use ChatGPT plus some editing to personalize content. Pitch to personal brands and boutiques on Instagram. Deliver via Google Docs with clear organization. It's copywriting made simple and scalable. 10. Sell pre-built Google Sheets templates. People love plug-and-play tools, budget trackers, content planners, habit logs. If you can build a clean Google Sheet, you can sell it. Action plan. Create 1 to 3 functional, beautiful templates. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Price at $10 to $20 each. 5 to 10 sales day equals $100. Promote on TikTok or Twitter with short demos. Build once, sell forever. There you go. 10 real, accessible, profitable ideas that you can start today. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on that little bell, because I'll be back tomorrow with 10 more ways to earn and grow. Let's build something great.